Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges in the HP OfficeJet Pro 6830. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here, and the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. When it is on, you can proceed to open both its cover and the ink cartridge access door. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. For this printer, your color ink is located farthest on the left, followed by your black ink, which will be on the far right. The order should be from left to right: magenta, cyan, yellow, then black. Now, press the front of the ink cartridge to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Be sure to remove the orange plastic clip found at the top of the cartridge before you attempt to install the cartridge. Make sure that you insert the ink cartridge into the slot that has the same color letter as the color you are installing, and make sure not to touch the gold contact points. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each ink cartridge you are replacing. After you replace all the ink cartridges that need replacing, close the printer cartridge access door and cover. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done! Now you're ready to print.